We are here at City Build 2040, where our 3rd through 8th grade students, along with some high school mentors and UNL college students, are building the future Grand Island out of cardboard.
My favorite part was definitely working with the kids. They just are full of ideas and energy, and I just love that they're able to bring so many ideas to the table. I mean, this is their future they're talking about, and they're really making the most of it.
My favorite thing about City Build was that you get to build stuff that you get to build in the future, and it's super fun to build.
They're using materials such as paper and cardboard and all that other stuff to get creative and make their imagination come to life.
Our leaders are in that room down the hallway. The ones who are going to really change our community for the better, that's where they are, and we need to give them a voice and listen.
That's the beauty of GearUP GIPS, to really invest into our children here in Grand Island and to really not only grow our city, but to grow up our children to be the future citizens that take care of Grand Island.
A bunch of a homeless shelter and a dog park and Five Below and stuff like that.
The thing that is most exciting is to see those relationships between the college students and the younger students and the high school students, because sometimes what we forget is those moments of connection. So many of our students and their families here in Grand Island are not aware of what it's like to go to college. They don't even really know what that is. So to have those special moments of working creatively, talking and having interactions with actual college students help to open up that vision for them that they too can go to college, and that one day they can come back and give back to their community to show younger kids what it's like to go to college and to invest in others.